Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a texture to your text in Canva. First, we'll choose a background. I'll change the color of the background. I'll go with this one and change it. All right, let's use this one. And for the texture, we'll go to Elements and search for our texture, like paper texture or anything you'd like. All right, maybe this one. So let's select this, and this is the one we'll add as a texture to our text. Click on the image, then go to Apps and search for Type Cutout. You'll see Type Cutout options. Just click on it and then select Use Selected Image. This one. Select this one, all right? Use this. If you want to add an outline, see how it looks. It will look like this one. If you want to crop, you can crop it as well. And if you want to change the font, there are lots available. And I'll change this as well. All right, so choose whichever font you like. And if you want to change the outline, you can pick a different outline color as well. It would look like this. And if you want to change it again, I'll go with the white one. Okay, after that, enter the text you want to add, like this. Whatever text you want, just type it out. If you want to adjust the thickness of the outline, you can do that too. Just add it. Now, just click Add to Design. Boom! And that image should be removed by just deleting it. Now you can see the texture has been added to your text. All right, now like this, you can play around. Now, finally, you've learned how you can add texture to text in Canva. If you have any questions about this video, please comment below. I'll be answering all the questions, and I'll see you in the next video.